Canceling a Scotiabank E-Transfer is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You can cancel an Interact E-Transfer if it hasn't already been deposited into the contact's account. To cancel the transfer, first of all, what you need to do, from the app's home screen, tap on Move Money. Then tap on Interact E-Transfer. Now, tap on Manage to view your pending Interact E-Transfers. After that, select the transaction you want to cancel and tap Cancel this transfer. It's important to note that the ability to cancel an e-transfer may depend on whether the recipient has already accepted the funds. If the funds have been deposited into the recipient's account, you may not be able to cancel the transfer. In such cases, it's recommended to contact Scotiabank's customer support for assistance.